I told y'all I was coming with part 3, and here we are. So I'm going to talk about the affordability, I'm going to talk about comfortability, and if the shoe is really worth the hype. The celebrities are in these shoes and boots and furs. The celebrities are in the Jennifer Lee bag. When I tell you guys that if you want to get into luxury or designer and her shoes are very comfortable and affordable, that's why this video is definitely for you. Our very first shoe here is going to be this one, the mink with the crystal. Oh my goodness, y'all. These shoes, I went out in these shoes for New Year's. Let me show y'all. Not only are they showstoppers, okay? Not only are they showstoppers, they are so freaking comfortable, so gorgeous. Everything about this shoe, y'all, if y'all don't have this, this is gonna forever stop people and make people come and talk to you and ask you, where did you get this shoe? Of course, all of her shoes are lined with lambskin lining. This shoe has the gold hardware on the heel. Y'all, it's just a sexy shoe. From the back, you get to see everything. It's mink. She has the crystals on the shoe. Beautiful shoe, so comfortable. I would not lie to y'all. I would not lie to you and tell you this shoe is comfortable if this shoe is not comfortable. This shoe is so freaking comfortable and so sexy on the foot. Now, small disclaimer, your girl's toes are not done. A lot of times people get on here and be like, my toes not done and the toes still look cute. No, I don't have no toenail on my thumb. They are not painted. Feet just been in the house all day. Feet been chilling all fall 2023, okay? But we're not here for the feet. We here for the shoes. These, y'all, are mules, right? And they have the crystals here all across the toe. Now, if you've watched some of my other, like my mules heels, you know, like mules are the new it girl shoes and all of that type stuff, then you've seen these. If y'all seen me on a day-to-day, then you've seen me wearing these. The only thing I would say is I've had these roughly about 2 years now. As you guys can see, I put a shoe gummy on there, and it wasn't because of the shoe not being comfortable. It was mainly because my daughter wore these to her band banquet, and she ain't real good in walking in heels, so I put the shoe gummy on there so she would have extra comfort and she would have some more grip, right? And then it doesn't bother me to have it on there. But the only thing I would say is, y'all, I sometimes feel like I can hear this heel squeaking sometimes, not all the time, and I think it's just because it's a PVC heel. But when I say absolutely gorgeous, a gorgeous shoe, it's a gorgeous shoe. These is a bad mother. Shut your mouth, okay? Super comfortable, super cute. Check out the heel. It is like a full panther. Crystals across the toe, crystals around the ankle. Now, I will say, y'all, you can't, I don't know, I don't gain weight in the ankles. I will say all her ankle straps, though, or like they're a real close fit, but typically you get that with designer shoes. Like, I'm so serious, you get that with like my Giuseppe's, you get like a more narrow thing. And I don't know if that's just because they're out the country, and you know, I don't know. But this shoe is patent leather. It has the panther heel on the back. The detail, she's so simple, but the details of this shoe make her pop no matter where you go. These right here, I have sent off to the cobblers several times to repaint and redo my bottoms. I just wear these. These are the Zaza, and I think these are the Zaza flat, because I do have the Zaza heel. Now, I will say this with the Zaza heel, because it also has that thong and it's on an incline, as far as it being a mule, my foot slips, and then all my weight shifts down into the Zaza heel. So the Zaza heel, I don't find, although it's comfortable, it starts making my feet look extra wide, and then they be slide, like, the foot don't even be sweating, it just be sliding down. So those, what I would say, out of every shoe that I own for her, those are probably the only ones that I would say are, I would say the comfort level is not comfortable. But these right here, y'all, I've been stopped in the airport, I've been stopped everywhere every time I wear these. And they also have the Zaza bag that comes with these shoes. And then I also think she made like a slipper. It was like the it had the daisy on it, but it was still the same imprint. Y'all, these are gorgeous. They're mink. They have the crystal. The way that the sandal comes up around the ankle and then, you know, up the sides, it's almost kind of gladiator-ish, right? Showstopper. These, I can't, they are crocodile, of course. She has the zipper detailing all along, not just the back, but all along the top and the back. And they are a mule, kinda, I don't know, a boot mule. I don't know what they are, but baby, they are. One thing I'm gonna tell y'all about Jennifer Lee, if you are looking for statement shoes, you are looking for high quality shoes, you are looking for luxury and designer shoes, this is why celebrities, this is why people go to her. They're not gonna just break the bank like that. Now they are going to cost you a nice little coin, but it's not going to seriously break your bank, right? And they are going to be comfortable. Y'all, I can't tell y'all, it's a very select few luxury heels that I have that are comfortable, and this brand is definitely one of them. So these are definitely showstoppers, definitely some shoes that I would recommend for y'all to get. So these right here, y'all, so cute. Two different straps. One is like a rope chain. I guess the rope is in the closet still. So one is like a diamond rope chain that goes around, or it's a gold rope chain, and then it comes with the diamonds, and you can wear them just one, or you can wear them with the two, right? And so these, y'all, look at that. Look, girl, I've worn these to formal events, I've worn these with jeans, I've worn these to church, baby. These shoes, and then they're gold, so gold goes with like almost everything, y'all. Don't sleep on this. Don't look, if you want to stand out, like, yeah. So here's another one that I sent off, of course, to the cobblers. These are super cute. They have the PVC, and then they also have the rope. Y'all, it's so simple, but it's so super elegant. They are so pretty, especially like when you're out and about and the sun reflects on them and they're glistening and all this stuff. All like these crystals are just so pretty on the foot and up the leg. Like, I kid y'all not, it is just. And then the sandal itself is very comfortable. I have a wide foot. I have no issues with this. Now, when I'm originally putting it on, of course, the PVC, but the more you wear it, that PVC stretches. So yeah, y'all, these are another ones I would tell y'all to get. Y'all, these are just a statement piece, which all of them are. But when I say these are a statement piece, like, you don't even have to dumb down your outfit. Like, you can still wear, like, if I wanted to wear this, right, and then put this shoe on with it, I could. This has the ostrich feathers. The only complaint that I have is that because this is crocodile leather, when you go to put this shoe on, the way you have to put this shoe on is like, you gotta put your foot through this part first, then kind of like scrunch your toes and then get in there like that. Like, it's this a little tight, okay? This a little that back there, that little opening, because if you pay attention, it's a cuff, a leather cuff all the way around the ankle. So the opening is really not, do you see what I'm telling you? So yeah, but y'all, gorgeous shoe, crocodile and ostrich lambskin on the inside, PVC across the toe. So it gives the illusion that there's nothing there but this. And this is gorgeous. Even my daughter, my middle daughter, wore it to her band banquet. Doesn't this shoe just make you want to subscribe? Seriously, Seriously. I don't know how I do this every time, but I forgot about these as well. These are the rope sandals. These are the ones that come with the two straps. You can either wear them with the diamonds or the rope strap, or you can wear them with both. It has the rope heel. It's an all gold sandal, snake skin back, lamb lining, double straps across the toe. Still super comfortable. Still match with any and everything.
She tried to take me no wind, this cat nigga can't even see me on wind. She tried to flight nigga win this cat. She tried to flight me no way out of here. She tried to flight nigga can't even see me on way out of here. I'm too far in the sky. Heard me it's ash for the dawn, my ash. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zooters and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and I guess. Came out the gutter and ain't never me the swagger. Secure the bag, got a bitch, I'm a bagger. Turning it up, got a make sure she good. Park a 2 million in the middle of my hood.
What would I say the verdict is? I would definitely tell y'all, if you are not familiar with I Am Jennifer Lee, go to her website, IamJenniferLee.com. Go to her Instagram, I Am Jennifer Lee. And y'all just start looking, start browsing her furs, her shoes. So worth it. So worth it. Especially if you are one that loves to be different. I love to be different. And as much as I can be shy, when I walk into a room wearing these shoes, honey, people gonna automatically come talk to you. So if you're trying to get out of your shyness, this shoe is gonna take you out of your shyness. You're gonna be that girl real fast. You're gonna have to come out of that real fast. These shoes gonna snatch your soul before you snatch your soul. So anyways, y'all, tomorrow, thank y'all so much for being here. 4 days in HallowGlam. Tomorrow is day 5. And what are we talking about tomorrow? Chic looks for fall. I actually had broke my camera originally filming that video, so I gotta go film the rest of that video, but it's gonna be here for y'all, okay? Chic looks for fall. I'm gonna give y'all some fall fashion looks, and just how to look polished, basically. Like, as a woman, I feel like when we walk out, we always want to look polished, especially if you are a woman in your 30s, in your 40s, even in your 20s, you know what I'm saying? Because like we're all getting it, we're doing it. So that's what that video is going to be about. Y'all make sure to tune into it. If you have missed any day in this series, what are you doing? Go catch up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, okay? Jim, thanks for watching my video today. Make sure you check out my previous video, and most importantly, do not forget to subscribe, okay? If you're new to my channel, become fam, click subscribe, and follow me on my social networks. Bye!